It's been snowing since about 4 a.m. this morning. It's now about 8:15. But I thought I'd come outside and show you folks what it looked like. Now, I did come out a few minutes ago with the Osmo Pocket 3, which I was hesitant to do given the fact that it's a little more delicate and I didn't want water getting inside of it, and it is actively snowing, as you can see. But turns out I walked 2 blocks, came back home, went to turn it off, only to find out that I never turned it on. So I'm out here now with the Osmo Action 4, which is built for inclement conditions, being an actual action camera, and it's getting audio from the wireless mic too. So this is what it looks like. Yeah, so everything has its nice dusting of fresh white powder, which is great if you're into that. I guess, yeah, that wouldn't work too well. Yeah. Walking around a school that my kids used to go to. And in case I forgot to mention it before, but I'm sure I did, this is being shot on the Osmo Action 4 using the wireless mic 2, which is tucked into my neck thing here. Ouch, branch hit me. So yeah, the snow makes everything look all pretty. I mean, it's crap to get around in if you have to get somewhere, or to read signs to know where you are. But it looks nice. Picture postcardy nice. So this is all part of me trying to get outside of my comfort zones, and got a couple of those. Normally I don't come out in crappy weather. This is decidedly crappy. Also, I really don't like, or no, let me rephrase that. I'm not comfortable yet with being on camera. Oh, that's not me. Almost went up the wrong block. Walked a little further than I thought. Very good. So, yeah, this is what it's like out in the snow. At least the city's out and about, spreading salt and shoveling away at least the top layer. A lot of the times it takes them until when the storm is over before they do anything. So them getting preemptive or proactive, I applaud them. Oh, you just turned up my block. Nice. Okay, so yeah, the point of this was just to come outside, take a little walk, show you what it looks like out here at the moment. So this is after 4 hours of this winter storm that they warned us about. And I plan to come out in another 4 hours and update how things are going. So until later, this is it. And for now, it's still snowing. It just seems to have slowed down a bit, and they're projecting, from what I just saw before I came outside, that it will totally cease in the next half hour or so. Although I'm thinking they might be a bit wrong on that one. So which way shall we go? So they were calling for between 5 and 9 inches. Yeah, possibly. Maybe 5, 6 inches. Certainly no more than that. It's still pretty grotty out here. Ooh, let's go this way. This is what it looks like. It's not as terrible as they made it seem like it would be. Anyway, onwards. So I have the DJI Osmo Action 4 on a clip, a magnetic clip. So, yeah, this is what it looks like when it really snows. We haven't had a really good snow in a couple of years, so this is cool. Okay. Yeah, apparently they were right. Just while we've been out here, it has stopped snowing. I mean, not completely, it's tailing off, is what I should say. Okay, I'm going into the street for the moment because there are some people shoveling the sidewalk with great gusto and abandon. And I don't wish to partake of their wares. Yeah, but all in all, this could have been a lot worse. I might probably have to go and shovel out our parking space a little later, but it's no biggie. Okay. Just got to navigate this. Oh, well. Wasn't so bad. All right, so the great snowfall of February 2024. Because you guys are worth it. Later, y'all.